So this is 200 feet of new sewer line for this ground rough. Here's our tie-in. This is where our test ball is. Intersecting the driveway. Undermining this walkway on the west side of the house. Form boards for the addition. Picking up the sink. So this area picking up a floor drain with a trap primer. And on this side, sink. And on this side is Dave, the best helper in the world. Holding water for a 5-foot head test. And here we are in Las Olas Isles. This mansion that was just recently completed, 2 Pelican Isle, where I completed all the plumbing work for the outdoor renovations. Whole new marble driveway that was recently put in. This is the sewer port where the tap was made. 180 total feet of underground sewer line put in to the backyard. All this landscaping conceals the underground sewer. The gas work was done by me. This is the existing meter, tap work. We have over 100 feet of underground sewer line. Gas line that was recently put in. There's a new monstrous whole house generator, natural gas. This outdoor kitchen is all new. The sink, an egg, and a new barbecue range. All natural gas for that range. There's an underground sub-meter that I installed, which provides water to the outdoor docks. We have various stations throughout the seawall, well over 200 feet of seawall, direct intercoastal view, water and electric throughout. Here's a new outdoor pergola, a new finished roof. 4 roof drains that discharge out of these lions' mouths. Ice bins in the sink. individual water heaters, tankless outdoor water heaters for both sinks outside. In the process of painting the mural on the ceiling. That's the Las Olas bridge right there. Newly renovated swimming pool, jacuzzi. General contractor, H2 Eco, Mark Musgrave. Great guy. I highly recommend using him. He did all the landscaping. This house is going to win awards in Fort Lauderdale for the best landscaped house. This was new construction. Brand new spot. All the equipment is new. Brand new pool heater. Ran the gas for the pool heater.